Good morning to you all. My name is Pushpa Siri. I'm just going to today explain you about myself and my teaching pattern. So this is Guru Nivasa Institute, and I'm teaching there ICT in Sinhala and English medium. Right. Now you can see in the screen about me and my photo and about my qualifications. So I'm telling you about my name is W.D. Pushpa Siri, and I'm a Justice of Peace. In short, we call it JP, and I'm a director of RMHS ICT Institute, that is my own mark, and I'm the president of Pattala Mediation Board, and also I have many education qualifications. You can see the screens like postgraduate and a degree and other many more professional qualifications. So I don't want to explain about more and more because it's not good. And there are contact details you can see in the screen about WhatsApp, email, websites, YouTube. So whatever the things you can contact me at any time for any cases, it's no problem. You can see in the screen that my experience about ICT, and I was the computer specialist in Saudi Arabia, so I was in abroad, and then I was the ICT teacher and English teacher in St. Mary's Mahavidyalaya, that was at Kerala. Then after that I was working in Don Bosco IT Technical Center as IT in charge, and then after that I was working in Loyola College over here as an ICT teacher, the first ICT teacher in there. Then meanwhile I was lecturing in IDM Institute, and then presently I am working as a teacher in St. Joseph's College, Nugegoda. And now I just want to give a small teaching method. I want to give you small lessons about the number system. Now you can see in your screen about the number system in English and Sinhala, both medium is written there. So here there is a number system lesson. Right. In this number system is very important. Now even from grade 6 to A level or the graduates, they need these lessons, this subject. Just to try to just give you a small briefly what is about number system. As you can see in the screen, there are 4 number systems. As we human being, we can understand only decimal number system. Decimal number system. That means 10 base. Base number 10, right? 10 base. And what about the computer? Computer doesn't know 10 base. It can understand binary. Binary number system. That means 2 base number system. Right. Now I'm just explaining you how these two are going to be converted. That means there are 4 number systems, we have to do the conversions. Now I want to do the number system conversions like this. For example, I will explain you. You have a here keyboard. From the keyboard you may type like 25, and then computer system cannot understand this 25. So it can understand this is 10 base. It can understand 2 base. That means 1010 something like. So this is called 2 base. And then after that, we can see whatever the typing the computer screen here. Right. This is called 25. You can see again it's 10 base. So this is what we are going to conversion. Now the 10 base or the decimal base is converted into the binary base, which is understanding by the computer itself. Sometimes we call it machine language also. And then this machine language or the binary language cannot understand as human us, so it's converting into the binary, so decimal base like that human can understand. So this is the conversions. Like that, there are 4 conversions are there, 4 types of. So you can see in the screen 4 types of number system. Now what I can do is I will just explain you how do we convert this 10 base or the decimal base into binary base and the binary base into decimal base. Right? So let me explain you very briefly with and done. Right? Now this side, 25. 25, 10 base, I want to convert into 2 base. That means, now if I type here 25, right, how the computer can understand. This is what I am going to explain it. Now what we can do is, we divide by 25 divided by 2 up to as far as it can divide. So 12 and remaining 1, again divide by 2, 6 remaining 0, again divide by 2, 3 remaining 0, again divide by 2, 1 remaining 1. Then we are taking from here to here. So this one 1 1 0 0 1. That's what the computer can understand from keyboard to computer system. Right. This is 2 ways. This is ways that computer can understand. Machine language. Right. Now, machine is working on this system, but for the screen we can see only this system. Then how do we convert? That is 2 base to 10 base. Now this is, I am explaining you very briefly. 11001 is going to be converted to 10 base. Okay. So there are how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. Therefore I take it 2 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Starting 0 power. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 2 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 into 0 0. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 4 into 0 0. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8. 2 to the power 4 is 16. 16 into 1 is 16. Now 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. So that means 25. That means here 1 1 0 0 1 2 base is equal to 25 10 base. That is why this converts into 25 10 base. Right? This is how we are going to convert. That is why we need conversion is very important and number system is very important always. Right. Now I just give you a small activity. You can see in the screen small activity. So you can go ahead with this method. Right. When I was explaining you, I may use some videos, pictures, for animations, and sometimes I may ask you questions for discussions. So these are the techniques that I am going to teach you, and my dear students, you can do the activities at home and then go ahead with your lessons. Right. So if you have anything you can ask. So thank you for watching and listening to my